Right-click the car name parameter and then click Parameter Properties. Click Available Values tab, then click Specify Values. In the Available Values table, type a few cars. Part 6, Add a dataset for report parameter values. Create the new dataset. Build the query. Right-click the car name parameter and then click Parameter Properties. Click Available Values tab, then click Get Values from the query. Choose the car's dataset and then choose the car on the Value field drop-down list and on the Label field drop-down list and click OK. Save your report, and then check the results by clicking green arrow. Part 7, Adding Actions. Right-click Car field and then click Text Box Properties. Click Actions tab and then click Go to URL. Click the Expression button and then type the expression. new skills in the fastest and most effective way? Visit learnwithvideotutorials.com.